Hi, good evening, everybody. Today's session is about how to do some basic programming in Python. And the purpose to learn this Python programming is this is one of the most popular programming language in the world because of rich AI libraries. It is open source, it is free to use, it has a such rich support of different built-in methods and functions that makes it a smarter programming language in the current world. There is a huge demand after arrival of AI that everyone should know some Python codes and should know how to develop, the latest AI-oriented applications. Well, in today's lesson, we are not going to talk about any AI application in Python. We are going to start Python with the basic, and to do this and learn this programming basics, we will be using Python IDLE software. I'm opening a screen on my window. So this Python IDLE screen, which you can see over the screen, when you type IDLE in your Windows, you get this window. And if you don't know how to open it, so I just tell you, when you are in Windows, so in the Windows search button, you just write IDLE, and if you have Python already installed, you can click on ideally Python 64-bit and this application window will be open. Right now, we are on the interactive mode. I'm writing for your better clarity. We are right now in an interactive mode. Interactive mode in Python is basically a window where you can only write one command at a time. Only one command at a time. You cannot write long scripts. Okay, I just show you the example of it. In Python, we are having one basic programming. In Python, we are having one basic programming command. This programming command is called print. You can see I'm writing this in uppercase. Python is not recognizing it, and that's why its color is not changing. It's showing as a black. But when I'm writing the same thing in the small case, the Python is showing it in a violet color code. So basically, Python is a case-sensitive programming language, and we should be careful while writing the command. All commands, Python commands, built-in keywords should be written in small case, like print should be written in small case. Print is a command in Python to display any message, any output. So suppose you are writing your first program, and in this program you want to welcome everyone, welcome to the world of programming. Okay, so you can see here very clearly I have used a print command. Print command is having parentheses. These are not called brackets, they are called parentheses, and the message is written inside the double quotes. Okay, this is the first basic, that any message or any text value should be inside the double quotes. And I just press enter. So you can see Python is following my instruction and it is showing the output which I written in the print command in the blue color. Same way, I can write the story like, okay, my country is India. Next is again print. My city is Delhi. But can't you feel little bad when we are writing an introduction? When we are writing an introduction, then multiple lines should come together. Like for example, if I'm writing my introduction is of 5 lines. So all 5 lines should come together. But right now, if you see, you can write only one command at a time. So now we are moving to multi-line programming. Okay, because most of the programs, and when you design the games in Python, when you design your softwares, AI programming, you need to write a multi-line code. Okay, so we are moving to the Python's multi-line programming mode, and this mode is called script mode. Script mode, okay? And this mode is actually available in File tab. So just look at the screen. You need to click File tab. In File tab, there is a new file option, and when you click on the new file option, a window will open just like a notepad. And this is called multi-line Python programming mode, which is also known as script mode. Okay, hash is a symbol that Python doesn't execute. Okay, it is not mandatory that what I'm writing, I'm just writing this red color comment starting with the hash symbol just for our reading purpose that I am doing a script mode programming, which is also known as multi-line programming. Okay, so suppose I want to write my entire introduction, so I'm writing print. Hey, my name is XYZ. Okay, and I also want to write, hey, my hobby is listening music. Okay, hey, I am writing one more thing. Paint. Um, my pet name is Rosie. Now you can see the difference. Earlier window, if you observe carefully, when I was writing one print command and I was entering to write the next command, it was executing. But in this mode, when I'm writing print multiple commands, but it is not executing. It will execute the code if and only if I press F5 shortcut key or I press run tab. You can see run tab on the screen. So that's called run tab. Okay. So let me just click run module. It is asking to save my program. I'm saving my program as first. So you can see here the output is coming. My name is XYZ. My hobby is listening. My pet is Rosie. And a very interesting thing, I wrote the code in script mode, but the output is always coming in interactive mode. So that is the Python secret. Even you are writing in the script mode, but the output will always come in interactive mode window. Clear? But what is a benefit of a script mode here? If somebody asks like why we are using a script mode is allowing us to write a long code. Yeah. Now you can see when till the time you are not clicking run, it will not execute. So it will wait for your command to execute the code until the time you will keep doing 1,000 lines of the code. So I hope this small beginning is clear that for the multi-line programming we use script mode and for the single line programming we use interact.